Dari kedu popiki düçün ganiba tsachi tu dinalo. Dari zumbe ngachara na chalami tha du name chiga mazom. Dari kari gaso gi nim ngachara chitungi ngada gebo yabje tangba 두개지바 지미싱이 원추 초기 중거리 뒤져가로 미시 용기 가둘레 귀뒤피 가진삼 달라파 구체샤 베테미기 다시멜럼수 뷰니기 뒤진진 다담라 나저라 두게합나로 나데게 지미싱이 원추 좀지 두개 숨바 지미도지 원추다 마저기 윰 깨자 니기 마줄로 룬테기 갭지난디기 뒤남에 마지비기 가디뉴르 dim마체 최종 숙마수게 견적제 최대카 제캠보기 우즈비기 룬자상다 파바 견디수게 로추탈레 추타제 남에 섬에 꾸림다 도탑 찰라스에 삼기 마셔버지 난디기 디된레 힐레라 가링가소 bomberuyor Macera dugi jibaki gyakab ki chalasu zebi kaple macera jungda misige dobdek gen bak tamsi panchu dibe chachira tu mashobabe chagen dibe chashui dilwe hilera karigaso bomberuyor 다리 젠다 마루기 뒤진디가로 마치르기 상이기 템바제미 케첸담바 켄들다 라첸 짜체쇼 봄쇼 가르루 카 체쇼수 데나 젠나인 Chukurimbuchi, the Nambi Chudigi, Gakab Mahidribigi, Kutsapse, Na Jemdalu, Pigi Gumda, Nachera Nangi Mise, Pada Suse member, Nachera Gara Chimchinagi Sasa Zumbel, Pimpincha Zumbe, Chika Zomsuchil. The Na Chukurimbuchi Sule Shugobel. Nachera Na Dugakab Nalu. 미시 용기 지지부기 닌다디 두개지바 초인 지미싱이 원추인 나처럼 미시기 제쇼 파쇼 녜랑쇼 나처럼 줍기 대갈레 레쇼라 지미싱이 원추인 더 지미싱이 원추 곤로 딘추 젬달로 나처럼 같은 텐디스숭 슈보다 두그름부치수 가라 나 샵작나 게치 담바 루기지발루 기티피 토멘스 레짐베나 나지기 제가 주보다 더 두비미세기 가르 초세면디기 나 두구름부치술로 힐레라 규잡 제동 잡조 bombe를 필 이루라 달라파 구중디 나저기 초르낭 가데베 주인서 왔지 남에 섬에 나지 녜라인 Karingasuyul. Lakpurdu talapa guzung ngachara tukurimbuchisulu. Chala zere zesichip ngachara sangi ki temba nyamma chubobe jani imbal. Zamling nalu peni imbal. Takare ki gemku namdibe chala zebi kablu. Drugna da gep ngara chamchi memba. Ngachara drujungda drubi misegi japcho hemawal hape punigi kelangyul. Joala Rinpoche and to all our great Buddhist masters. You have truly touched our hearts by being here amongst us today. Then Tigulu Tuitarinaba Zamling the Namesame Yensu Bomber Tundel. Lochikje Nijagi Panalu, Papa Chere, Turki Juakalu Papmel. Juba Bombe to Megale Tita Dagdibe, Raji Gibe. Nemuk the Truktin. Katere Jerura, Jumajigi Kingin. Milalugi, Samgi Machabigi Lesa. Milaluchilun, Nyangin Bombereke. The Anizumgi Katuchengi Tugalu Babda, Majera na Pendi Drubi Gakab Nalu. Lachen, Latril, Kenchen Bom Sukara na Chikazom. Chimchinagi Sasa Zumbe. Majera Zamling Nalu, Kingin Gikanunda, Talapa Zamling Nalu, Shidiki Melum Chembochi Shizukbe, Trotudibe, Nabale Jekembogi, Tukormonchin's Kala Chakra, the Anizum, Chalasu, Zenanidigi, Majekar, Namesame, the Ngerail, Lodil, the Anizumbe Chashu Sundigi, Samzochil. The Tariki Dunjanalu, Machera Kachi J. Sawachin Gelun Bansum Ka Rachika Labtub Dibe, Karaki Genkuchi Nam Dibe, Chala Kadibe Zichil. Na Chadiki Chala Zebi Kable, Nupshi Chabdibe, Mi Jangamashu, Chashu, Chashui Kable, Katumbe Madupe. Miki Tsagelang, Shendebki Tole, Deba the Megiki Tolebe Beshenda, Jada Zao, Sani Lambe na Pure Omel. Nam Numule na Mila Bese Jail. Nam Numule Miki na Lucharo Be Omel. Machera Junchigi, Chala Zeb member, Junda Mise Gelen Bansum Gibe, Labtub Dibe Zebi Galen, the Name Same Taksen Bombe Temel. Nalu Desubsi, Gelsupi, Takasungi Mangdi, Lamkem, Chogorshumi, Kelangpa, Halesisibe, Dubdite Nile, Dani Bendigera, Bendi Drubi Gakabdi, Sanga Dojitapigi, Peulin. Chusi Nidegi Gakabse Nangzungda Dugi Ishisemba Gakabgi Kaniwa Tachingi Sokshidi Dugi Lamluda Dubi Misigi Tamsidil Drup Segalen Jawachulam Sampasemki Dilam Chusum Tatamsi Lejum Dese Jenda Madubedul Dubagi Nosom Tantang, La Betang, Genku Batang, Cha Shutang Chetatupil The Tiranji Gibe Junju Membele The Gawa Gomda, Dinjigi Pamsugibe, Chala Zizibigi Nidu, Jinlap, the Dubdil. Dimate Baba Cherengara Semka Nomel Machere do Gakabdi Namlongap Chungangalu, Jimmy Singi Wanchu Kumachu Machin, Gab Mazebachin, Tarizumber Dionga Mose Jimmy Singi Wanchu Zumchi, Kacho Dalu Majubachin, Chala Mazebachin. Machi do Gakab the Kadibi Dunga. Would the country have been the same without Jimmy Singh Wanchus? The Garagi Shesayil. Namlo Dunju Dun Nilu. Jimmy Singh want you Golo Chudu Imbel. Pansisibe. Hantomobe Gabe Zeg of Juil. Tinga the Tari Medel. Tinga Boching Achera Gahab Chanka Imbel. Rida Chanalu, Nakse Bulu, Mi Parikali Gimindul. Then Rawa Sunchope Tapatemba Kanemi Nam Numu Lam Matom Zumigi Dugalu Pap Katuchengi Sagunale the Dugijibagi Gennam the Chalasu Gutsuk Lam Dezandibe Machera Gakabdi Narwalak Dindibe Zonail. Ches Zanshura Dugijibagi Tenail. Yang Dabigi Gakab the Missilu Pentobigi Sujuswe Lej Metamnanul. Tab Madu Matume Mel Janga Machipidul. The setup Gitundele Tablam Suzi. Then Papa Shere Kun Parche the Nyanka Roses Betunul Anigale Donglinsu Tusho Mebabezi. Then Yargi Compelda Beljogi Tawa Sa Cheshu Ji Geungaki Pelzumse Gross National Happiness ki philosophy dimel. Dari namba Begalen Gakab Maidib Zamling Nalu Name Same Mingdam Tundibi Anigi Shijamdi Jindibe Shitukna. The Mapaka Chishudera Dugishibagi Chalasunale Nachera Misi Dindi Zogose Misi Gira Gen Bago Cha Shugo Bendi Dubi Gakab Gitemba di Misi Gibe Danze Tabgo Di Zotab Gidenlu Onsi Chipel Zatim Chembo da Macho Lamlu di Gora Gose The Tituga Nambe Chalasu Samgi Machapizil. The Dugishibagi Zejaki Kole Labachin, Machilabe Metzal. Gakabgi Sigi Utie Zijil. Magi Makpune Zijil. Missy Yongi Lubeil. The Tuyatara Michiling Chusungi, Dugishiba Jeudalu. Rusung Gumigi Namchul se Shuil. Chana Dojigi Jignang Mibigi Ningtok. Jambiangi Turi. Cherry Zigi Jam the Ninja. Chugi Galboil. The Narakatuledi Dugishiba se. The Tarigi Kanebachingi Nimdekalu. Machera Mrs. Lukachilabnase. Lochi no sometime. Belome tapsil. The Shuni Humison Hamalera Shil. Then Tinadinile Shabagi Chalakajizichiga, Kadibezichiga, Kawata Pemachera Misigi Lijmera Shil. The Tigulu Tepji Marakokab Zundibe Netsu Pabachin. The Narano Sum Chitang Be. The Missigi Jimmy Singi want you Jeodalu, Dugna the Gebo se Jeonse. Nagi Jeodalu Naragi Apala Jeomel, Naragi Yab Jeomel. As when our people see Jimmy Singi want you, our people see the Fort Druk Gyalpo, the father of the nation. But honestly speaking, when I see Jimmy Singh Wanchu, first and foremost, I see my father. Taani semka jabe. Ngaraki yapki tuga kachinam diyoga. ngaralu toto sunse pana po jabi kaplo lasha sunsumil ngati nga chungu ganlara atara gyasa ani semka jamare ani beu jamare ani khache mare je maso semka jara ja chu shuma genku bago cha shugose te lochi sunindigi rangi semkalu chalam labi dyname mejil ngara la khachira beruti tendibe bil tani gi kole ngara khatule dungre chilabgel I want to talk about how my father raised me, the advice that I received. That would give you a lot of insight into the person that he's always been. Because this is the kind of advice that a father has given his own son. Ni katule tari dunsun chuni yul. Tamra dugishibagi kesa gyakab the misilu cha shura shugumare cha shui kaplu tesong meba cha shu madro mache nyanka kadiji theru kau kadiji jeru gen sata ji chata yuru wudu tangchi ni meong ngachara gyakab the misi lu chadi ben damsi pangchu tusho meba chara soe lu tangchupe cha shura shugo tusho wachin le bomsang charagi shuma ging badibe ngachara wanchu judingi gapsu zumbera cho tudibe cha shusubachin chugi pen tobachin chara chosang se. My father would always tell me, serve your country and our people. There is no greater calling in life. There is no better purpose. You must be willing to sacrifice everything. No matter where the journey takes you, you must show clarity, resolve, determination. Never give up. Never lose hope. This is non-negotiable. Never ever fail. Serve your country and peoples. Nibamdi, gyakab ki rawa ranse de sungchobdi. Namme same tsachinil. Tanze tabgo. Tida tango. Sem payamasho. Papa chere tamadu dungtere tyong. Tamadu su chungui mese ko maja. Shuma ani tamadu chungulakasu bom tedibe nyankakyong. Sego chungu chere tyamajubobe chashuose. gyakab gi rawa ranze de sungchubdi gonle gondu pewberazose. My father always reminded me that we must do everything to protect, enhance, and strengthen our security and sovereignty. He would say, don't even let a tiny crack appear, because these small problems one day turn out to be very dangerous. So always be vigilant. Sumbamdi shabgi suniyul. Kesa Jekempo Jung Chasang Papa Gyende Ngachara Chede Kasulu Gade Dada Japchu Lejimbe Pugos ngachara du gekhab semidi sangi gi temba gi peuli ugi guru rumbuchi da ngawanam gi temba lu kyen baji themachu yensung bedibe danze tabdibe chachi shudibe shuma maung misisulu dariwa tab zodibe chitu supe bese ngache du se lapsumidira ngachara nanagi ishi sembadi ani temba di is. So my father would say, always serve the Jekempo, our Jung Tatsang, and our different chedes, nangbigi chedesu. He would tell me that this forms the very fabric of who we are. This holds us together. This gives us the identity that we value. He said, remember that our Temba is the soul of Bhutan. Then Jibadi, ngajere dugi ngotadi danze tapse. Ngajere du gekhab di gekhab chungko lakhi. Chimse gekhab jiwachi bombe. Zamling na lumi mambe. Terbum ge da gugi pana hube gale ngajere milope bum dun lama la chiligi temisube. Jamso bulu tama timnigi nyanka yuse. Du atara dub inse lapsupe jago. Pshigi da rangimi yo chisupe jago. Ran dubi so the ngoshi pe ten supe zose. Shabgi atara ani sumil. That our identity is very precious. We live in a planet with 8 to 9 billion people. And these numbers are constantly expanding. There's so few of us. He told me that we must always remain recognizable, identifiable. But above all, my father would say that our people must treasure this identity. Our people are the true custodians of this identity. Lakpardu ngara yapki suni ngachera mise dinadini le ngachera alu pususugi dubigi lamlususulu zedung kyagose pango gadichi kachega hagogo 차치디 맞저를 미시기를 주고서 디 중기 차라 매스 순이율 된 된생아바디 마라 남라 베르 얍차슈 종가 키지 유고 카소스스나라 봐 샵기 라가 견데 종지 내 자체자 총칼레파 베루 침삽지 접서 지버진 샵기 아따르송 짐기 조케스 단지 탑마레스 맞저를 두비 루스를 쪼던 거세 내 자체주 냠수지 주고베 다마 맵태옹세 리더셈지 라더룸 마 호카나기 장추르 베루 와 장토토 베자스 년숭 베스 된 유고날레 파기 카주 땀제땀 람루 다우 마도세 알루수기 셰브조세 소이 릭파 자 조릭 라속파기 마체랑 모타수 Danzin tabra tabse. So during our travels, there's not a moment when my father isn't worried about the forests, our rivers, biodiversity, even down to dzongs and temples and nairs. He wanted to ensure that they were always well preserved, well maintained, and remain protected. Then Tubadi, Shabki Suniyul, Ngachira Dru Gyakab Gitopshukti, Chitunis. Our greatest strength is our unities. Gyakab Laluchina Zumbe, Mira Dimasu, Pada Su Roda Ngachese, Papa Chere Ja, Chichilu Sechap, Dachamchi Chile member Nanalera, Katan, Ngolo, Bejachaje, Nyesisibe, David Dudabachin, Shabisuni, Ao, Ngaji Gyakab Chungulakai, Roda Dandabe Bemisu, Jutop Mitop, Rotin Sumi Ngaji Tumisube, Kachishura Ngajira Chimchinagi Sasazumbe, Gyakabji, Michi, Namra Beru Laptub Dube, La Beshebachin, Kage Lake Misu. Ngajira Gyakabta Madhu Kadichi Bomseguru, Setu, Migil Kachi Tenduguru, Dupsu, Sunil. If we remain united, there is nothing that we can overcome. Dani Shabki Sumdi Mara Tuatara Semkajadol. Then Dunsun Dumbadi Shabki Sunil. Nyam Gawiki Nyankas. La Lejim be Jodos no Banara Miki Semki Lanshuis Yamiteni Chus Tanti Shuis Kajambis Lama Bewa Lius Mito Jankata Be Genku Mabableten Tushons Digi Nyanka Mache Dunankilu, Gasa, Shumachu Labi Kablu, Ani Rib Gimgomares. So, in other words, what my father was always warning us was that complacency sets in very quickly. We fall victim to distractions. We lose focus. We take things for granted. And that's when we neglect our fundamental responsibilities. Lochi shabki tisuni. Nyam gawiki nyanka bomsho dera senpai shui mare. Mi lanshu te mare. Kajandi be liube tama name same kingen bomtion. Rib gims. Dunsun Gebadi Shabki Sunil Du Gyakab di Dindi Gobachin Misera Dindi goes. For a strong Bhutan, we need strong people. The Aniliten di Bengachera Misisu. Nyamnyong Lejimbe top zose, Cho Yuntilu Zo Tense. Majera Misera Kade Tata Dindi Zogose. Misi Dindi Yubachin, Misiki Dobde, Misiki Genba, Misiki Chashu, Chala Kachira Zeguru. Majera Misi Chidani Membe, Chida Bumbe, Chikala Begalen, Majera Gyakab di Atu Diaches. Misi Dindi Zos, Anira Sumbil. Even when I was young, my father would say, Read, Kesa, read. It's so important to read. Whenever you have free time, invest the time in readings. Kesa, one day, no matter what problem you might face, just know that there have been others before you who've lived through, who've taken the same journey, who's confronted with the same dilemmas. Know that they have that added wisdom. Know that they have the experience to share. If you want to solve problems, somebody has already solved it. But you have to be willing to invest that time. You have to be inquisitive enough and make the effort to learn. All that wisdom is contained in the pages of a book. So, Kesa, you must read. Tani peshal habni, yunti dubni. Kitab hani di, name same keche se. Ngachara misi dindi zogo, chere dindi tego se. Ani suni yul. Tenzin guba di, shabki suni yul. Alu langsho matan se. Alu su namla beru, lejim da sobki pana, yo chisu pezo se. Di cha se. Te ka chishu dera, alu su kati samshigo se. My father would always say, don't spoil children. Teach them good values. Discipline is very important. And above all, his emphasis, as I recollect, was always on young children never to take anything for granted. He said, appreciation is a very good virtue to possess. Tenzin chutamdi, Gyakabgi mingtamdi, Tsachenis. The reputation of a country is sacrosanct. Shabgisuni, Gyakabgi mingtamdi, Kachizume Tyong, Tama, do Gyakabgi mingtamdi, Nachikasa Chikeve, Shigi Migi Nachilutaudadi, Awani Dupsu, Yami, Dupsu, Shoplabi, Dup Aukui, Dup Shummi, Lo Madiu Chow Messangachilu, Lote, Matsuba Jinse, Shabgisuni, Deba Jinti Kasa Bomberekedas. Namra Beru, do Gyakab Sodalu, Gyakab Chungulakachile Mirura, Gyakab Bomsugi, Machilu Lote Supezose, Dup Semisu Kadibi Sovachin, Dup Sem Satang to you, Dup Bejale, Dup Genku Babi, Dup Katang, the Anizumbe Lapsupezogose. My father would always say that the reputation of a country should be built, it should be earned, it should be nurtured, it should be reinforced. He said, don't ever rely on legacy. So, Kesa, during your time, make sure that Bhutan is always seen, understood, and respected as a dependable, as a righteous, truthful, and an honest country in the world. That we are above all trustworthy. Tenzin Chuchi di 잡기 순이율 장든 쟁기 핀숨 소비 미데세 대베네고 바진 중중기 람루다 팀기 람루데라 남에 섬에 레짐베 고세 나처럼 초이네 땅데 답 대토토 가토토 가라 참토토 로테츠 베자고 바진 중중기 람루 the 팀기 람루디 아니라 레짐베 고세 My father would tell me, for a just and harmonious society, you have to have a good system. And even more important, you must have very good laws. Anidi ngara atara semka tendibe labil. Tanjulu ngara yabgi sunsumi tekale ka cheshu chi tensun chuni badil shabgi suniyul kesa hema jotube sen tari jomitu mena tari jotube sen shuma jomitu 저 제라 마소 야갑기 라베오들로 람츠시고 같이 벤나 남 벤나 가데베 벤나 아니수 랑기베라 레심베 여피디베 담가잡다 He used to always tell me, and I believe this is by far one of the most profound advice that I've ever received. He said, Gaza, why do you think human beings have come this far? Why have humans been so competent, so resilient? He said, it's because human beings know how to evolve and adapt. And he said, take this lesson from Mother Nature. If our country is to remain strong and dynamic, well protected, if our collective vision is to build an even more prosperous Bhutan, we must learn how to constantly evolve, adapt, reinvent ourselves. Be agile. 아니디 나라기 제오드벤 샵기 도토슨체 바나가루 수레 수수집기 대할래 자 체슈지 아니 제오멜 다 주탄줄로 나처럼 바바처럼 미시수기 노솜단동 다 로추구 기린로 두기지버기 두게합기 찰라술로 집다 투가 같이 남도온가 투섬 가드베제도온가 아니 주마두기 해마 나라 카툴레 둥데 질랍겔 두기지바 투 자게 bombe를 제디말 자게 가지베 마지바 점링기 내땅 주드베 조들로 가티라 제루 남에 섬에 냥카둘 답마디오 텐데사 차파카잡 집 수가 보슬랍도 좀베 나처럼 두게하페 탭지르 립 김고베 뎀정고베 자기 랑곱둘 두기 집어 투 자기 bombe를 제디 인데르 베루 나라기 제일 샵기 셀레 순세 나라기 고일 샵남에 섬에 투 녜란데 비주일 my father's very proud of our people. He's particularly proud of our younger generation. The enthusiasm, the dynamism, the selflessness, the desire to make a difference. How deeply we care for each other. And even more, how much we care for our country. He sees how proud we are to call ourselves Bhutanese. He understands that we are willing to do everything to serve Bhutan, to protect Bhutan, to build Bhutan. Shabki zibala, kembala. Ngachira misegi debada megi. Ngachira misegi damsi. Ngachira misegi Kadichi, Lhasa Namdagi Tole, Cha Shuchope Yoga, Kawa Tape Shabgi Kensa, Zidol, Ani Bendigi, Shabgi Atara Summe, Tab Madu di Tion, Nyankadi Du, Zegope Lasha Tomme, Deboda, Majara Misigi, Gen Basube, Majara Dug Yakablu Cha Shusube. The future is bright. Maungpadi Lejim Joni me, Namisame lo de Nyerai se sunil. Dani di Mara Kokabzun de Be, Chelu, Labubes no deredil. Da Papa Chere Mara no somtamel. She Puduchil. Ane Tantang Tabe Ja Chichi Bombe Poja. Dani Shindi Dondakajinas. When you see a tree, what is the purpose of that tree? Ani Shindi Bomtegale, Metochi Shanidu, Metokale, Domachi, Domadi Sakapu. They put this Aniliten Sundi Masanalu Tim Bebeujin, the Analeshin Puduchutam, Chukutsaumel. Shin Chutam di Pojabigalen, Dilitin, Shin Jaji Pojabmel. Shin Jadinale, Shin Chichi, Chile Bumbe. One single tree, flowers, fruits, and then offers that seed to Mother Nature. And through that existence, you see those seeds germinate. And very quickly, you see 10 trees. And those 10 help produce 100. And then 1,000. And then 10,000. And then 100,000. The Ngaragi Ane Vijayuda Machira na Dugia Habnalu Geo Komgi Tumen Machira Tinji Pamigi Kupse Wata Chechong Sumasugi Jabzi de Beshimda Nate Kachu Dalu Duchuchule Zimchunalu Namlong Apchunga Nga Gituchindina Maungenzi Chengi Gepchi Tunul. The Tigi Chala Letendibe, Machera Gakab the Dindi Tesil. Tigi Tawale, Machera Gakabgi, Lam, he sang of his own nine. The Ani Jimmy Singi want you the Shin Chizumbe Jauman. There were the Shin Chile, Chutam le. Jachi, Jale, Tille Bumbe Boda. Majekara, Shinchigi Sunil. we are all from the same stock. We share the same responsibility. We are on the same journey into the future. We have a common purpose. And that foundation has been laid, that seed has been sowed by none other than Jimmy Singh Iwachu. So on this very special occasion, we would like to repledge our loyalty, our service, our devotion. And we would like to assure Jimmy Singh Iwachu that we will not falter nor fail. We will do him proud. We will honor his legacy. We will make sure that our Ugi Guru Rinpoche and Ngawan Namgyal's Temba will withstand the test of time, will flourish. And Bhutan will always remain to be a special country. Te ngarakatule tari kokapna be beshimda name same karichel. Te duge jiba tari gonglo dinchu jepmel. Maribitendi zumbe labab duche kalu khatu jape. Te ngachara misiki semkalu te nawa kyawachin ngaratsibilubil shutail. Duge jiba gonglo jachi jepda toral habab duche imbala. Te ngara tariki nimdalu misite chika laptub dibe belom di toro tari zumbera duge jiba gonglo jachi jepda. Tari zumbera habab duche kalu khatu jap. Tari zumbera ngachara gelun bansum tamsi panchuk laptub gatin tendisu gerabna tsupera tsisung shuge se tari tashi melom pil karichela.